Alright, let's play this ditty right there. So that's X's, the PHATNALL remix is where I got it from, and this is a little piano piece, but you can play it on guitar, and if you have any friends that rap or anything like that, then they can rap over that. And you just keep playing that, and you just throw a little rap, and boom, and that's it. So let's start off. It's going to be the D string, and you're going to play the 13th fret, 16th fret, 15th fret, 16th fret, and then you're going to jump to the G string, and you're going to play the 15th fret, 16th fret, 15th fret, jump back to the D string, and end off with the 16th fret. You're going to play those notes repeatedly, so that's one apart, and then you play it again, that part, and you play it again for the third time, that part, and then we're going to add another one. We're going to add another note on the fourth part, which will end it off. So again, that's 13, 16, 15, 16, 15, 16, 15, 16. And then just if you want to pull up the song, you can play it with it. And the only thing is, you can play that 3 times. The last part, you're just going to play the same thing that I taught you at the beginning, except you're not going to play the last note. So it's going to be 13, 16, 15, 16, and then the G string, 15, 16, 15, 18, and then you're going to jump back. So I like to play it with these 2 fingers here when I jump. So I'll play with these 2 fingers so that whenever I get to that part, I can jump back easier. If I also do it with these 2 fingers, I guess I could jump back, but it's a weird little slide. I guess it keeps it in succession there. Alright, so hope you enjoy. Have fun rapping.